We have a freaking skinny rope right there. Oh my God, there's hail. Oh, this is nasty hail. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Wow. Thing's a freaking weird looking funnel here. Tornado. That might be a tornado on the ground. Oh, wow. Man, my windshield's going to be loving this right now, but man. Whoa. That's probably bigger than freaking 2-inch hail right now. Big time funnel cloud. Holy smokes. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Oh my God, my windshield's not liking what's happening to it right now. Holy smoke. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. That just landed in my car.